Think about the last time you went to the store. Did you see one of those automated key-making machines by the front door? Seems like they're popping up everywhere these days. Their explosive growth has proven there's big demand for machines making little house keys. But you've never seen one that makes car keys. Until now. Introducing the world's first and only car key vending machine, Keys Now. It makes house keys, but it also makes car keys. With keys from dealerships easily costing $300 or $400, consumers are desperate for an alternative. The opportunity is now. Breakthroughs in key technology and robotics, taking decades to develop, combine to reveal the next big thing in retail. Modern, high-dollar car keys used to only be available at a dealership. With Keys Now, retailers can finally seize the multi-billion-dollar opportunity in car key replacement. Without investments in tools, inventory, or training, your customers can instantly replace car keys, like smart keys and laser cut keys, while saving up to 75% off dealership prices. Simply plug in Keys Now and enjoy high ASPs, big revenue shares, and more foot traffic. With features like 100% consumer-friendly DIY, no tools or training, replaces residential keys, covers nearly 170 million North American drivers, dispenses easy installers that pairs the new key to the customer's vehicle, multiple cashless payment options. For decades, key replacement for homes meant manual key cutting machines. Not anymore, with the explosion of automated residential key machines worldwide. For decades, key replacement for cars meant a trip to the dealership. Not anymore. Now they'll come to your front door.